Welcome to English in a Minute. Let's see what surprises Anna and Jonathan have for us with this week's expression.
Have an ace up one's sleeve.
Do you think you can afford the house you want to buy?
I think so. But I do have an ace up my sleeve.
Have you been going to the horse track again?
No, Jonathan. The homeowner and I are good friends. She'll give me a fair price.
To have an ace up one's sleeve means to have a secret or surprise that helps you get what you want. Dishonest poker players would keep a high card, usually an ace, hidden in their sleeves. They would pull out the card when no one was watching. These days, this expression has a less negative meaning. And that's English in a Minute.